Hi, this is Tutor Nick P, and this is lesson 734. Title of today's lesson is the difference between collective and collectible. And sometimes you may see collectible spelled with an A-B-L-E instead of an I-B-L-E, but it's a lot less common. Okay, someone do a screenshot right now. Let's get right to it. All right, now collective as an adjective can refer to an action, situation, or feeling that are shared by or involve every member of a group. And we got two examples for this one. A jury must come to a collective decision, or it will be a hung jury. A jury that can't have everybody agree ends up being a hung jury. All right, we have a second example. Our family gave a collective sigh of relief when we found out our father was one of the survivors of that crash. So they give, a sigh like, they're relieved that their father is still alive. He's not one of the people that died. All right, let's continue. We got a second meaning as an adjective here. A collective amount is a total amount obtained or added together of each person of a group or thing. All right, and here's an example of that. Our collective savings was still not enough to buy that house. So all our savings added together, it just still wasn't enough. Okay, and now we got collectible. All right, collectible as an adjective here, of course. Worthy of collecting, because something may go up in value, or something that is likely to be paid or collected is collectible also. All right, and we got first example here. That limited edition is very collectible. It is worthy of collecting. It may go up in value over time. All right, second one, some debts are not collectible because the person died or disappeared. Well, somebody's dead, well, they can't pay off their bills. And if they disappeared, they can't find them to make them pay off their bills. So those debts are not collectible. Let's continue. As a noun, collective is a business or farm that is operated or owned by a group of people who take an equal share of the profit. So we got one example for that one. That farm is a collective of about 50 people from the neighborhood. So maybe all these people in the neighborhood, they own and they work this garden together or this farm together. Okay, good. And our last one is a collectible as a noun, which basically has the same meaning, something that is worthy of collecting. He has a shop that sells many types of collectibles. Okay, anyway, I hope you got it. I hope it's clear. Hope it was very informative. Thank you for your time. Bye-bye.